What's up, guys? I would like to show you a quick video how I'm working with network ShareASale. Uh, so here you can see a list of merchants what I'm promoting. Here is commission what you can get. As you can see, really great commission. It's for September. And what I'm doing is well, first of all, you need to register here. Go to ShareASale and click on affiliate sign up. You will see page. Yeah, I'm logged in, so if you'll be logged out, you will see page with registration form. Just complete registration form and then join merchants. You can click on merchants, search for merchants, and here you can see a lot of categories, and you can sort them by power rank, by marketing calendar, by categories and income. My recommendation is use power rank. Well, I'm using power rank to sort all these merchants. So power rank means that this merchant got a lot of well, it means for me it means this merchant is selling really great. And for example, if you check on this one, here you can see average average commission what you can get. So it's average number of commission what you can get. It's really great, really huge. So here you can get per sale 50 bucks, $60, and this is how much people spend on buying particular product. So first of all, what you need to do is join ShareASale, then select category, go to merchants, search for merchants, and select programs what you would like to join. As you can see, not all programs will accept your website. So here it is. For example, you can click on website, check first check everything, how it looks like, what they are selling. So this one website selling healthy cooking, make easy, and they are selling meal plans, as you can see. If you are happy with their website and commission what you can get, you can click on join program, type here you understand agreement. Here you can type information about how you will promote this program and little information about your website. Usually what I'm pasting here is I'm going to my website, clicking on about page, simply copying this text and insert here. So I have already created about page on my website, so I'm just publishing, copy paste it here. As well, I type something like this as marketing. I'm adding your products services to my website. It has strong sale and we put it in Google Ads for paid promotion. When this is completed, type here join the program. Some merchant status provide automatically decline. In this case, you can contact them directly, or you can search for other companies. So you can click on search all merchants and select another one. It's not well, if you have received decline, it doesn't mean anything for you. Just join another merchant. They got more than 3,000 companies here. Many will decline, many will accept you. Decline reason maybe different, absolutely different. So simply join other companies. So when you have joined companies, for example, here is Weebly and they approved me, I click on get links, and here we can see what links we can get from their website. So simply click on get HTML. Here is the link, affiliate link. So here is affiliate link, and here and it will look like this if you copy it and paste it on a website. So it will look like this, and on a click people will follow your affiliate link as well. You can add here tracking, as you can see here is and tracking equals, and here you can type, for example, your your website, or for example fan page, Facebook fan page, or maybe any number what can help you to track from what page you're receiving traffic and sales. Here is, as you can see, data feed, so you can simply download it as Excel file, and after that you can upload all products in bulk to your website. How to do this, how to create a web store, you will find link in video description below, so simply follow it and learn how to do this. This is really powerful strategy. Because you can create affiliate web store with uh, in a really fast manner, and you'll get a lot of products uploaded there. So the more products you will have on your affiliate web store, the bigger chance to get commission from it. So the important thing what you should realize when we click on merchant name, we can see all information about it. That's transaction, conversion rate, average sales. As you can see, different options. So not all people buy on the first week, many buy next 30 days only. So you can switch like this and check details about these products. What you should learn here is, if you click on PPC keyword rules, it's mean paid search. So if you will plan to add when you create your affiliate web store, and if you would like to promote it in, for example, I have created this page and these are connected affiliate links, and I would like to add this page in Google and promote it with the keyword search memory foam mattress. So when people search in Google memory foam mattress, they will see here my ad. So if you would like to do so, you need to check what keywords are not allowed to use for this merchant. So for example, Weebly do not allow to use keyword Weebly coupon, all branding keywords not allowed to use. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. This is introduction to ShareASale affiliate program, and more information how to create affiliate web stores I will publish in my next videos. Make sure to check everything in the description below. Have a nice day. Bye.